So viewers, this is snail blue water. Okay, you see, this is not slime, this is snail water, the blue one. You see, it's very good. If you have people who have stroke, you can give it to them. They will be taking it small small. Hello viewers, thank you for joining us. So today I'm going to show you how to get snail water. Okay, so this is my rubber here, so this is my snail. You see, this is mature snail, big snail. You see, so it's very good. Break it from down here. Ó ti gbó. See, it's coming out. You see, the water is coming out. So the water is dropping like this. Shift. See. So only love you. So viewers, this is our snail water. It's very good for people who have hypertension, like stroke. It's very good for arthritis. It's good for our body. Even though you don't have it, you can take it. It's nice. So when you are doing it, you will not allow this black thing, this one, to burst. Okay, it will make it black. So so I'm going to store it inside this rubber. Manuela, bá mi mú àwọn kejì tí a máa fi rọ sóbò yẹn wá. Mẹ́yọ̀ kan wá. One, yes. Kò mú cover sí. So, viewers, this is snail blue water. Okay, you see, this is not slime, this is snail water, the blue one. You see, it's very good. If you have people who have stroke, you can give it to them. They will be taking it small small, morning, afternoon and night. So if you have people that have like asthma, like arthritis, you can give it to them. It's very good, even though you don't have anything like, so you can even take it. It's very good for our system. So I'm going to take some. You see, the water tastes like salt inside. It's like salt. It's nice. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share with your friend and family. So if you have interest in this snail water, okay, just contact my WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Mwah. Yes.